You still think it's 4 yards? I'm gonna need 4 yards worth.
It's kind of deep on the edge, so
Yeah, I kind of figured it was a thicker concrete slab. So
yeah.
I told him at Reams or whatever 4 yards worth,
Yeah.
just based on our conversation. But just let me know if
Yeah.
you think that should change. You know,
Nah.
and
I'll measure it. I'll measure it, and we'll go from there.
okay. And just a heads up on one thing, bro. Um, I'm gonna have the door the front door is gonna be facing this way. And so you see how like this got like a little ramp, something that
Yeah.
helped me get up there. You know what I'm saying? Just anything that we can build like a little small ramp, you know, just with whatever leftover concrete
Okay.
that we can just to get to the door area, make it a little,
All
a little easier.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Starting in place. Got a couple right there.
Huh? Oh.
Robin, how you doing? All right, you got 4 yards on Mount Zion Church Road. Yeah. Yeah, you ready?
things going on in the world right now. Spain, struggle. We're in recession. Obama president.
Respect yourself.
Dog in the movement.
Respect life. Respect time. Yes.
I'm so serious with this.
Yes.
You don't understand. Different
Yes.
mind state, different
Respect.
level. Now, touching new angels,
Life.
new levels, new heavens. Change your mind, change your hearts, change your soul.
Respect. Life. Respect. Time. Respect. Life.
Yeah.
Respect. Time. Run out of respect. You're out of your mind. Respect.
Nobody.
Life.
You know what I'm
Respect.
saying?
Time.
Nobody is perfect.
That's right.
The truth feels so good. There's no feeling like it.
Nobody rejected.
That's the voice of the city cry. Struggle to survive, why? Cause too many lie. I gotta ride for the side, that tote mode, then a 4-5, that tote mode, then a chrome 9. Niggas think I'm weak cause I'm so kind. I pray the Lord to heal them fast cause they so blind. But I'm sharper than a dagger, mag that work connect like magnets, faggot. Apologize, I'm one lost my mind, baby. Live slow, move crack by crack. It's deeper than 24s and Cadillacs. It's deeper than pretty hoes in this game of rap. It's deeper than blunt smoke, set a flame to that. We need a spark, then I got your match. You in the dark, follow the light back. We in the war, we gotta just fight back. We gotta avoid traps, we gotta destroy lack. We gotta employ chap. That's me, CHAP. Some might hate me, I'm shining lately. Move with prestige and looking at my life. I know that heaven bless me. Live my dream, plus rock clean. On point like a shooter red beam. Anoint when I spit it from the spleen. I don't do it for the cream, I do it for the king. I do it for the block, I do it for the kids in Darfur getting raped and shot. I do it for the stressed out moms who read their psalms and pray to God to let their kid come home. Who knows when they get round clones? Who knows when they in that zone? Who knows when the pressure's on? But sis, let them know.
Nobody is perfect.
Let them know.
We've gotta respect.
I ain't perfect. I know you ain't perfect.
Nobody rejected. We've gotta respect it. Nobody is perfect. We've gotta respect it.
Yeah,
Nobody
check it out.
We've gotta respect.
That's the sound of the hood yell. Another brother locked down and he can't bail out. First time been in the jailhouse. Come out years later, more turned out. Ain't know much, but he learned the route. Went back around the way and he earned a clout. Moving that yay, that what he's bout. He's stacking that money, but he living in doubt. Moving up from an ounce. Now we dealing with keys. Plus Bentleys, he's dealing with keys. Dealing with G's and them niggas want they cheddar on time.